What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you one of the best home remedies I found yet. That it will make you enjoy very strong natural hair with less damage and breakage. Besides it is very so easy, but before I tell you what it is, for anyone new here, on my channel I share methods, tips and ideas for skincare, hair, and health. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. So let's go. Olive oil isn't only useful in the kitchen, but it can even be used to treat your hair. Olive oil is a common ingredient in conditioners and moisturizing treatments. But you can get the same benefits for your hair at home, by making your own DIY hair mask with olive oil and other an unexpected ingredient from your kitchen. That is an egg. Here's how to make your own DIY egg and olive oil hair mask, as well as why you should give it a try, but how the olive oil can benefit your hair. Since ancient times, olive oil has been used for cosmetic purposes. Olive oil is still a common ingredient in hair care products today despite years of innovation. Here are a few hair benefits of olive oil. Olive oil works on moisturizing your hair because olive oil is monounsaturated fat that can easily be absorbed by the hair, and can help with dandruff and dry scalp. Olive oil is high in vitamins that are good for hair. Virgin olive oil contains vitamins E and other antioxidants. According to Healthline, a nutrient from the vitamin E family was discovered to help promote hair growth in a 2010 study. What are the advantages of using olive oil hair mask? While research is minimal, there are numerous benefits to using olive oil in a hair treatment such as a hair mask. According to Healthline, here are the most important 7 advantages of this home remedy that hair care professionals and consumers have listed. 1. Less damage and breakage to the hair. 2. Stronger natural hair. 3. More moisture, so less frizzy hair. 4. Shinier locks. 5. Softer hair. 6. Increased hair growth. 7. Fewer split ends. What are the advantages of a hair mask made of eggs? For a long time eggs have also been used in hair care. Although there is little research, many hair care practitioners believe that a whole egg hair mask has some benefits. According to Medical News Today, there are 2 major advantages. 1. Hair growth and renewal. Egg yolks, according to some in the natural beauty industry, will encourage hair growth. The reason for this is sulfur, which is an essential component of hair, is one of the main ingredients in an egg yolk too. According to Medical News Today, every 100 grams of egg yolk contains 164.5 milligrams of sulfur. Egg yolks are said to nourish hair roots and stimulate the scalp and hair follicles. However, no scientific evidence exists to suggest that adding egg yolk to the hair encourages hair growth or decreases hair loss. 2. Non-moisturizing or dry hair. Protein is another essential part of egg yolk. Protein can help to nourish hair and give it a good shine. Egg yolks are rich in fat as well as protein. In reality, every 100 grams of yolk contains 26.5 grams of fat. Hair becomes smoother as a result of fats. Lecithin is one form of fat that excels at this task. Lecithin is a substance found in egg yolks that is often used in a variety of cosmetics. As a result, an egg yolk could be a simple and inexpensive way to add moisture to your hair. Benefits of an egg and olive oil hair mask. Both eggs and olive oil, as you can see, have properties that can help to promote a healthy scalp and hair. While more research is required, here are some possible egg and olive oil hair mask benefits. 1. Increased hair growth. 2. More moisturized hair. 3. Less damage and breakage to the hair. 4. Stronger hair. 5. Shinier locks. 6. Softer hair. 7. Fewer split ends. So how do you make a hair mask with an egg and olive oil? You may already have all of the necessary ingredients on hand. Here's what you'll need. But before, what is the best olive oil for hair? I suggest using an organic, extra virgin olive oil that hasn't been refined and hasn't been exposed to chemicals or heat, as it's much better for your hair. How to make a hair mask with eggs and olive oil? Step number 1. If you want to cover all of your hair, begin with anywhere between 1 and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Depending on the length and thickness of your hair, you can need more if your hair is especially long or thick. And if you're only making a hair mask for the ends, you might just need 1 tablespoon. Step number 2. Separate the yolk from the white of the egg. To make a smooth texture, whisk an egg yolk in a larger mixing bowl. Step number 3. Pour in the olive oil with the egg yolk in the larger bowl. Step number 4. Mix all of the ingredients together so they're mostly combined. It's perfectly good if you see any streaks. How to use the mask. On dry or damp hair, apply the mask. Wrap a towel around your shoulders. Pour your mask into an applicator bottle or an old shampoo bottle if you have one. This will help to keep the chaos to a minimum. You should use your hands if you don't have a bottle. Apply in parts to the hair from root to tip. Massage the mask into your hair. If all of the mask has been applied, cover your hair with a shower cap, saran wrap, or a towel. Let it soak for 15 to 45 minutes. Stick to the lower end if your hair is prone to excess oil. Allow your hair to soak for longer if it is very dry or damaged. Get in the tub and give it a good rinsing. Be sure to start with lukewarm water because the egg can cook in your hair if you use hot water. After shampooing, use a conditioner to keep in the moisture. This mask should be used once a week. Who is appropriate for using an egg and olive oil hair mask? Olive oil and egg yolk hair masks are ideal for those with kinky and curly hair textures, as well as those who have extremely dry hair. Since these hair types are more porous, they lose moisture more quickly. Furthermore, curly hair is more prone to breakage at more stages. That means it requires a little more moisture, especially when washing and detangling. If you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.